Klaudio Tangential Tonearms Setup Guide. After mounting the tonearm base, verify its position with the included measurement tool. Make adjustments if necessary. Check that the arm board is level in both directions. It's very important to measure this independently of the turntable itself. Place the tonearm spring into the base sleeve. Holding the tonearm from below, gently lower the tonearm base into the sleeve. Remove the magnetized plate from the bottom of the control pad. Connect the plug to the control pad so its wire exits a corner opening. Replace the magnetized plate and place it face down onto the turntable. Connect the power supply to the tonearm. Attach the ground and audio cables to the tonearm. Unlatch the armrest and swing it out of the way. If the arm board and platter are at least 35 millimeters apart, adjust the VTA position to about 30 to 50%. Carefully insert the alignment tool beneath the pivot bridge until it hooks the backside of the bridge. Then hook the other end of the alignment tool on the spindle. Gently push down on the pivot bridge until the alignment tool is flat against the platter but still secured to the tonearm. Tighten the base set screw to secure the tonearm's current height. Turn on and adjust the laser until the line follows the tangent on the alignment tool. Trace lightly around the base of the control pad with an erasable marker. Turn off the laser and remove the tape strips from the bottom of the plate. Place the control pad back onto the turntable using the marked lines. The placement doesn't need to be perfect. Press on the control pad to activate the adhesive strips. Turn on the laser again. Since the control pad is magnetized, it can still be finely adjusted. Realign the laser to the alignment tool tangent. Turn off the laser and carefully remove the alignment tool. Replace the armrest to its original position. Adjust the leveling knob according to the tonearm's base bubble level. Turn on the laser. With the longitudinal set screw loosened, slowly move the tonearm until the cartridge needle hits the tangent laser. Gently tighten the longitudinal set screw. Balance the cartridge weight as appropriate using the rear counterweights. Move the weights in tandem. For auto-lift versions of the tonearm, a sensor on the armrest detects when it nears the end of a record. The sensor can be adjusted by gently sliding it. Thank you for watching Klaudio's Tangential Tonearms Setup Guide.